Hello kids, today we will learn color name, English alphabet, counting numbers and shape names. At first, say with me color name: black, red, blue, yellow, pink, green, orange. Write with me uppercase letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and G. Say with me shape name: circle. Draw with me a circle. Color with me pink. Again say with me shape name: circle. Say with me shape name: square. Draw with me a square. Color with me purple. Say with me shape name: rectangle. Draw with me a rectangle. Color with me orange. Say with me shape name: triangle. Color with me red. Again say with me the shape name: triangle. Say with me shape name: oval. Color with me light green. Say with me shape name: heart. Draw with me a heart. Again say with me shape name: heart. Count with me: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1 and 0, 10. Subscribe for more video.